I will provide our intelligence and law enforcement agencies with the tools they need to track and take out the terrorists without undermining our Constitution and our freedom. That means no more illegal wiretapping of American citizens. No more ignoring the law when it is inconvenient. That is not who we are.
Well, you know, some conservatives are big defenders of the Second Amendment. I am. Some liberals are big defenders of the First Amendment. And then there are some of us who believe the whole Bill of Rights ought to be defended.
And the Obama administration is pressing Congress to renew certain spy powers that are set to expire at year's end.
It's very important that judges sign warrants. We shouldn't allow the government to snoop into our personal lives and our records without having some judicial restraint.
We'll never know if they're even looking at us.
FBI agents don't go to the FISA court, but authorize themselves to examine information, not from you, but about you. Your banking records, your computer records, your telephone records, your medical records, your legal records. If you take all of this together, what they're going to the FISA court and the FISA court is letting them get, and what they get on their own, if they, whatever they obtain on individuals, if they don't use it in a prosecution against those persons, then they never know that they have been a target.
That's amazing. And I don't even want to think about where all that information stays or goes or whatever.
We have looked at 28 million electronic records when the Inspector General looked at this. 28 million electronic records. We've looked at 1,600,000 texts. 1,600,000 texts. Now, if you said to me, well, they asked a judge and they thought these were terrorists, I don't have a problem. The judge gives them a warrant and they look at these text messages or electronic records. But do you want them trolling through your Facebook? Do you want them trolling through your emails? Do you want a government that is unrestrained by law?
That means no more illegal wiretapping of American citizens. That is not who we are.
Justice Department showing the Obama administration has increased the number of applications to install wiretaps.
We can fight. We can preserve our freedoms. We are who we are because of our freedoms and our individual liberty. If we give that up, we're no different than those who we oppose.